because then we can apply that AM GM concept. Okay, so there are two ways are there. One is by differentiation method. I think in physics sir may have explained you one method is a derivative method. That method you will study afterward. Second method is without derivative, convert by converting into tan and cot form. So cosec square x is equal to 1 plus cot square x plus 25 sec square x is equal to 1 plus tan square x. So this is equal to 26 plus cot square x plus 25 tan square x. Now in the last part, apply AM is greater than GM. So arithmetic mean, see, cot square x plus 25 tan square x upon 2 will be greater than their arithmetic mean is always greater than their geometric mean. What is geometric mean? Multiply both of them, take under root 25 cot square x. So this tan square x, sorry, 25 tan square x. So cot square x and tan square x will cancel. This is equal to 5. So this gives that cot square x plus 25 tan square x is more than 10. So this will be always greater than 26 plus 10 is equal to 36. So its answer is minimum value is 36. Completed. See, now I will take totally different type of problems. This is over?
Yes, sir.
Okay. See, one question I'm taking now. Prove that, next page. I think these questions may be in your question bank also. So prove that 10x, 10 2x plus 10 2x, 10 3x plus and so on up to 10 nx 10 n plus 1x. Prove that this is equal to cot x 10 n plus 1x minus n plus 1. See, in this question, the important thing I'm explaining how to solve. If you observe here, what is the difference between these angles of this 2x minus x? Here also, what is the difference? 3x minus 2x. And in the last also, what is the difference here? N plus 1x minus nxx. That means every time difference is x. 2x minus x is x, 3x minus 2x is x, n plus 1x minus nx is also x. So difference is x. So let us write this x at difference of these two. That means I can write as 10x is equal to 10 2x minus x. For second, I will take 10x equal to 3x minus 2x. So this is equal to 10 2x minus 10x upon 1 plus 10 2x into 10x. In this form, I can write. So if you cross multiply, you will get, very good, Prakhar, you are doing very fast. So you cross multiply 10x into 1 plus 10x 10 2x is equal to 10 2x minus 10x. So from here, see, this I can write, this 10x, I will send here 10x upon 10x. So I can write 1 plus 10x into 10 2x is equal to, this is divide. So you will get cot x into 10 2x minus 10x. So 10x minus 10x into 10 2x is equal to cot x 10 2x minus 10x minus 1. Note down this step so that I have to clean it so that I can write more on here. If any doubt is there in this step, you can ask me. So this first thing, this will be eliminated by this. Similarly, for the second bracket, this, I will write 10x is equal to 10, 3x minus 2x. So this is equal to 10, 3x minus 10, 2x upon 1 plus 10, 3x, 10, 2x. So from here, if you cross multiply, what you will get? 1 plus 10, 3x, 10, 2x is equal to cot x into 10, 3x minus 10, 2x. So from again, you will get 10, 3x into 10, 2x is equal to cot x into difference of them minus 1. This one are transferred to right hand side. 10 3x into 10 2x is equal to, this is cot x into 10 3x minus 10 2x. This part is 10 3x minus 10 2x. Again, I'm writing 10 3x minus 10 2x. So you can observe these two statements. This is one statement. This is another statement. Some cyclic relationship you can get. So first note down this. If any doubt is there, I will again explain this. Otherwise, I will clean it and proceed further. Understood this part? Anybody?
Yes, sir.
Yes, who is this with Lenovo? I think Amog or somebody else. See, this upper part I am cleaning so that I can write it again, okay? Because you have already noted this. See, now the thing is, I know that from here, first step I'm writing 10x into tan 2x is equal to cot x into tan 2x minus 10x minus 1. Similarly, tan 3x into tan 2x is equal to cot x into difference of them, tan 3x minus tan 2x minus 1. Similarly, you will write tan after 2x, 3x, 2x, 3x into tan 3x is equal to cot x into tan 4x minus tan 3x minus 1, and so on. So last step is a tan n plus 1x into tan nx, last step. So dash 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 like this. So tan n plus 1x into tan nx is equal to cot x as it is tan n plus 1x minus tan nx minus 1. Now we have to add, because this question is nothing but on the left hand side. So this sum s is equal to, if you add, see from all this we can take this cot x common from this vertically. So I will take this cot x common. So what will be left? Tan 2x minus tan x, then plus tan 3x minus tan 2x, then tan 4x minus tan 3x, and so on. Last step will be tan n plus 1x minus tan nx. So you can see all these diagonal terms will cancel out, and minus 1 plus 1 plus 1 plus 1. So if you observe, this is nothing but overall it is a cot x into tan n plus 1x minus 10x minus 1 plus 1, 2 times is 2, 1 plus 1, 3 times is 3, 1 plus 1, 1 plus 1, 10 times is 10. So 1 plus 1 n times is n. So further you can write multiply, if you will get this is equal to cot x into tan n plus x, cot and tan, this will be minus 1 and minus 1. So minus of n plus 1. This will be the final answer. Completed this?
Yes, sir.
Chris, got it?
Yes, sir.
Dhyan, where is Dhyan? So I'm giving you next problem. Dhyan, you have not submitted your DPS, JD practice sheets. Where are you? You are there or just left by signing in? Your mic is not working, I think. Okay. So now come to next problem. Find the, if, this is very important problem, 3 plus cot 76 degree cot 16 degree upon okay cot 76 plus cot 16, this is equal to tan x degree, then x is equal to how much, that you have to find.
Sir, x is equal to 16.
X is equal to
16.
16 degree.
Yes, sir.
46.
46.
46, yes, not
46.
16.
46, sorry, sir.
My God, you have remembered the answer. Where you have done?
Sir, we got in DPS 2.
We got it.
Okay. Okay, very good. Okay, you got it in DPS 2. ठीक है, चलो. Then very good. Okay, take next problem. So 46 is the correct answer here. It is in DPS 2. I will send the solution also, so you can see there. This is equal to tan 46 degree. So x equal to 46 will be answer. Okay. Okay, now let's take next problem. Those who are not done, they can see now the DPS. Find the value of cot 16 degree, cot 44 degree, plus cot 44, cot 76, minus cot 76 degree, cot 16 degree. This is equal to how much? This will be some integer.
Sir, I got 3 as the answer.
Yes, who's this? Prakhar?
Yes, sir. Well, I got 3.
Yes, sir.
Very good, correct. So these are all advanced level problems that I'm telling, mains and advanced level problems. They are not your board level, okay? So this is what we are doing now. You can do all the questions of any type. Other students also try, because these are not very easy problems. That is what I'm telling you. Today we are doing all mains to advanced level problems. So Prakhar, what you have done in this, you converted in cosine sine or something else?
No, sir. Sir, I converted cot. Sir, I made it cot 90 minus 74, and then I converted into tan, and then I used tan A plus B property, and then
Oh,
solved.
very good. Okay. So you converted all questions into 10. This question into
Yes.
10 form.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Good. So that is the beauty of this maths. Okay, you can use different concepts. Your cot looks difficult actually. So you can convert in that form also. So I think you have done this like 10.
Without converting into tan also we can do it.
Yeah. I will solve by without converting. Just I'm telling what he has done. 1074 into 10 46 like this, plus 10 46 10. This will be how much? 14 minus 10 14 10 16. 16 will be 74. So I'm explaining without converting. There is no unique method you have to do by this method. Just I'm explaining one easy method, that is all. So cot A, cot B, for example, if you write cot A, cot B minus 1, suppose. So this is a cos A upon sin A, cos B upon sin B minus 1. So this will be cos A, cos B minus sin A, sin B. Cos A plus B upon sin A, sin B. Why I am interested in converting A plus B? Because 44 plus 16, this will be equal to 60 degree. So what I will do, I will write here minus 1, minus 1. I will minus 1, minus 1. And plus 1, plus 1. So I will add and subtract. Not only this method, as he told, there can be so many methods. So as per this concept, see, 2 times I have subtracted, 2 times I have added. Okay, so this first part, now tell me, this will be how much? This quantity, cot A, cot B minus 1. Can I use this formula? Cot A, cot B minus 1 is cos A plus B, 60 degree, upon sin A, sin B, sin 16, sin 44, plus cos A, cos B minus 1. Again see, 76 plus 44, 120. So this will be cos 120 upon sin 44, sin 76. So this is gone. Now from this to next, I will take minus outside from this. So this is minus. Next, cot A, cot B minus 1. This will be cos of A plus B. Cos of A plus B. Or here you use another formula, you can use minus 1. So this will be A minus B. A minus B will be 60. So what you can do here, one more thing here, let us forget this. You can do minus 1 plus 1. So if plus sign is here, minus sign will be here. So you will get cos of A minus B, 60, upon cos sine 76, sine 16, and then plus 3. This is the step. In single step, you will get the answer. Now you can take, we know cos 120 is equal to minus half. Cos 120 is equal to minus half. Cos of 120 degree is equal to minus half. So you can take this half outside. Take LCM. Sine 16, sine 44, sine 76. 44 is there, 16 is there, sine 76. This will become minus 44, 76, sine 16. This will become minus sine 44.
Sir, could you explain the numerator again?
See, this cot A, cot B minus 1. So here A is 16 degree in
So the
yellow color.
previous step, the sine 76 minus sine 16 minus sine 44.
In this is half, this is outside, this is minus half, so this is outside, this is outside. Half is outside. Cos 60 is half. So what is left now? LCM. So just 16, 44 is there, 16 is there, 44 is there. What is left? Sine 76. Understood?
Yes.
And this will be minus half. So minus sign is here. This is the minus sign. Sine 16 will be here. 44, 76 is here. 44, 76, this will be left. In last part,
Yes, sir.
so this part we have to solve it. So in this, again, we can use the formula here, sine C minus sine DC in this part. So this is equal to 1 upon 2. Sine C minus sine D. 2 cos C plus dy 2. 76 plus 16. 76 plus 16 is how much? 92. Divided by 2. This will be how much? 46. So 2 cos 46 sine C minus dy 2, 30. Minus sine 44 upon sine 16, sine 44, sine 76. Plus 3 will be as it is. Plus 3 is there as it is. So now it is very clear from here that sine 30 and this will cancel out. This will cancel out. And cos 46 is equal to sine 55. So this will be 0 plus 3. Because sine 44 is same as cos 46, complement angle. So numerator will be 0. This is cos 46 and this is sine 44. They will cancel each other. So your final answer is 3. If any doubt is there, anybody having any doubt, ask me. This was asked in advance actually, this problem. Now I will be asking you some previous IIT JEE problems, okay? Any doubt in this? Yes, any doubt?
No, sir.
Okay, come to next problem. See, now I'm asking one question which was asked in 1980. See, don't get fear because these are very tough problems. Some questions I have already asked, you have already answered very fast. The question is, if A is equal to sine square theta plus cos 4 theta, cos power 4 theta, find range of A. Find range of A. That means what we are supposed to find here? Calculate maximum and minimum values of A. What is the maximum value of A and what is minimum value of A?
Sir, it is sine square theta or sine 2 theta?
See, square, it is very clearly visible.
Okay, sir.
The question is like A is equal to sine square theta plus cos power 4 theta. Understood? This is the question.
Sir, I got minimum value as 3 by 4. I need to find the maximum one.
Yes, very good.
Maximum value is 4.
No,
Maximum value is 4.
no, maximum value is 1, I guess. I got 1.
Yes, 3 upon 4 to S. Very good, Rishi Rao. No, it is not 1, 2, 3. Maximum value is 1. Three upon 4 to 1 is correct. Very good.
Yes, sir. When I got 3.4 to 1.
Yes, so this is Kuhu or Sanika?
Kuhu, sir.
Okay, okay. See, again, there are a number of ways. It depends how we are solving. Okay, so out of 2 ways, one simple method I'm approaching. One is you can convert this as 1 minus cos square x is equal to, or you can convert in double angle. Then if you are converting in 1 minus cos square x, then you have to convert in quadratic form. Both I am explaining because you don't know in exam which method will strike your mind. So this A is equal to, first I will multiply by 2. Now 2 sine square x theta plus 1 upon 4. This is the 2 cos square theta whole square. So this is equal to 1 upon 2. 2 sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta plus 1 upon 4. This is 1 plus cos 2 theta whole square. So this is 1 upon 2 minus 1 upon 2 cos 2 theta plus 1 upon 4 plus 1 upon 2 cos 2 theta. 2 cos theta will cancel out, plus 1 upon 4 cos square 2 theta. So this part will cancel out. So this is equal to 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 cos square 2 theta. Now we know that cos square 2 theta square, this will be always more than 0 and will be less than 1. So in this I am adding, this quantity is always positive. This quantity 1 upon 4 cos square is always greater than 0. So this quantity will be minimum value. What is the minimum value I can add? 0. So this minimum value will be, minimum is 3.4. And what will be maximum? What is the maximum value I can make it? 1 upon 4. When cos square theta is equal to 1. You can see from here another method. If I multiply 1 upon 4, 1 upon 4 into 0. 1 upon 4 cos square 2 theta, 1 upon 4. So you can see this 1 upon 4 cos square 2 theta will lie between 0 and 1 upon 4. In this add, you can add 3 upon 4. So add 3 upon 4, add 3 upon 4, add 3 upon 4. So this will lie between 3 upon 4 to 1. So answer will be 3 upon 4 to 1. Okay. This all is not required. Direct you can write minimum value of this. Minimum value is 0 and maximum value is 1. So 3 upon 4 plus 0 is 3 upon 4 minimum. Maximum value is 3 upon 4 plus 1 by 4. 3 upon 4 plus 1 upon 4 is equal to 1. Next problem. Suppose sine cube x into sine 3x is equal to summation of m is equal to 0 to n cm cos mx is an identity. This is an identity in x. Where and C0, C1, C2, Cn are constants. These are constants. And Cn is not equal to 0. Then find value of n. What is n? Then find n. They can ask you to find C0, C2, C3 also. So what will be C0, what will be C1, what will be C2, etc. So this question was asked in 1981.
Sir, n is equal to 4.
N is equal to 4. I think N is not 4. No.
Sir, n is equal to 6.
Yeah, 6 is correct.
6. I got 6. Sorry.
Yeah, yeah. Six is correct. See here, the important thing is what you have to concentrate here. This is cos mx. That means this square, cube, etc. you have to remove. So first of all, you can use here sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x minus 4 sine cube x. So this implies sine cube x will be equal to 4 sine cube x is equal to 3 sine x minus sine 3x upon 4. This you can use here sine. So that these powers will be removed. So sine cube x into sine 3x is equal to 1 upon 4. What is this? 3 sine x minus sine 3x multiplied by sine 3x. So this will be 3 upon 4 sine 3x into sine x minus 1 upon 4 sine square 3x. Again, square is there. This I have to remove. So again, what I will do, multiply with 3 upon 8 because my all terms must be in terms of cos. So multiply 2 sine 3x sine x minus 1 upon 8. 2 sine square 3x. 2 sine square x is 1 minus cos 2 theta. So 1 minus cos 6x. Now here apply this next step, direct you will get answer. This is equal to 3 upon 8. 2 sine A sine B is equal to cos A minus B minus cos A plus B. So cos of A minus B, 3x minus x, 2x, minus cos A plus B, 4x, minus 1 upon 8 plus 1 upon 8 cos 6x. This you arrange in order, you will get the answer. So this in order will be equal to first term is minus 1 upon 8. Next term is plus 3 upon 8 cos 2x. Then minus 3 upon 8 cos 4x plus 1 upon 8 cos 6x. You can see. So this is clear. You have written the upper lines.
Sir, 1 second.
First half you must note down. Okay. Yes, Pranati, you are not answering any question. Where are you?
Yes, done, sir.
Okay. See now, so many questions can be asked. This can be asked in matrix match also. First of all, you must understand what is the meaning of this question. This I'm again explaining. See this part. That means if I elaborate this, I can write in another way. I can write this as sine cube x sine 3x equal to, if m is equal to 0, c0 cos 0 will be 1 plus c1 cos x plus c2 cos 2x plus c3 cos 3x plus and so on. And this we have proved that this is also equal to how much? Minus 1 upon 8 plus minus 1 upon 8 plus 3 upon 8 cos 2x minus 3 upon 8 cos 4x plus 1 upon 8 cos 6x. So this red line, next red line, everybody is noted these two lines. I am cleaning them. These two lines. If you want to stop me, ask me. Otherwise, afterward, I will be deleting them. Okay, so I think you have noted it. See, now they can ask the questions of different type. All values you can calculate. They can ask, find the values of C0, C1, C2, C3 by comparing. C0 will be how much? Minus 1 upon 8. Now, there is no cos x, no cos 3x. So C1 is equal to C3 is equal to C5 will be 0. Because this is an identity. That means we have to compare the coefficients. On the right hand side, there is no cos x term, there is no cos 3x term, there is no cos 5x terms. So they will be always 0. Now C2. C2 will be how much? 3 upon 8. C4 is how much? Minus 3 upon 8. And C6 is equal to 1 upon 8. That is all. So we can calculate all the coefficients. Next question. See, this question was asked in your IIT 1983, long back. First, I'm taking from the beginning. Find the value of cos 2 pi by cos 2 pi by 15 cos 4 pi by 15 cos 8 pi by 15 cos 16 pi by 15. This is equal to how much? Solve this. Yes, got it?
Sir, I got 1 by
Yes.
16.
Yeah, Pranati, yeah, 1 upon 16. Yes, very good, Pranati. This time you have done really very fast. And one more student have got. Ayush. This time Prakhar and Kuhu are trying. Prakhar got.
Sir, I got earlier, but I didn't type.
Okay. Sanika and Gunj, where are you, both of you? Aditya Rawat, very good, got it.
Done, sir.
Done?
Done, sir.
Very good. So I think this is based on our one concept, sine theta, sine 2 theta, sine 4 theta, sine. If you take theta is equal to 2 pi by 15, this is cos theta, cos 2 theta, cos theta, two square theta, cos 2 cube theta form. This is sine 2 raised to power n theta upon 2 raised to power n sine theta. That this formula will be applied here. Here n is equal to 4. 4 terms are there. So sine 2 raised to power 4 theta upon 2 raised to power 4 sine theta. That is sine 16. Theta is how much? 2 pi by 15 upon 16 sine 2 pi by 15. So this is 1 upon 16 sine 32. So sine 32. So 2 pi plus 2 pi by 15. This is 32. This is sine 32 pi by 15 upon 16 sine 2 pi by 15 upon sine 2 pi by 15. So this is equal to 1 upon 16 sine 2 pi plus theta is sine theta, sine 2 pi by 15, and this is also sine 2 pi by 15. So you can check, they will cancel out each other. So answer will be 1 upon 16. See, this is by practice. Trigonometry requires practice. That is why I am focusing so much on continuous practice. Okay, take one more question. Now, one of question I am taking is more than one option correct. More than one option correct. Other students also must solve continuously. Amok, where are you? You are understanding? Where is Amok? Not muting himself. Chris, Nakul, you are not answering. Nikhil, you are just silent.
सर क्रिस पबजी खेल रहा है.
सर पागल है सर आयुष चुप के वो बोल रहा है
पबजी बंद कर दो भाई, पबजी
सर
एकदम
नहीं
बंद कर
खेल
दो
रहा
साहब।
सर
सर
पूरा दिन पबजी खेलता रहता है.
नहीं बेटा, अभी बंद करो, अभी मेरे लिए।
सर नहीं खेल रहा सर वो मेरे घर पे भी नहीं आ रहा है चुप के बोलता है सर
नहीं, वैसे क्रिस एक काम कर रहा है। क्रिस क्या करता है, मेरे को सॉल्यूशन भेज रहा है। क्रिस इज ऑलवेज सॉल्विंग एंड सबमिटिंग द असाइनमेंट। So Chris is doing very nicely nowadays. That I can tell.
सर by the time I answer everyone gives the answer no use
No, it is not question of US also can tell yes. Then I will ask you how you got it.
Next time I'll answer.
Okay. Then I will ask you
Why
also
you say
how
that?
you got
Whole
it.
night he'll be playing PUBG.
No, no, don't play now because this is really very bad actually. This is high time. Some students are working very hard, and definitely those are working very hard will take the lead because it is competitive times. Okay. So stop playing. PUBG is not good actually. Everybody, this is for everybody. Dhyan, for you also, you are not submitting. ध्यान तो अपना स्पीकर ही ऑन नहीं करता है. You switch off his speaker and sit. Okay. So next very important problem I am giving now. This question was asked in 1998. Two questions were asked in that year. So first question is, which of the following number is a rational number? This question, one question was asked in 1998. Which is or are rational numbers? More than one option may be correct. Which of the following are rational numbers? First option is sine 15 degree. Second option is cos 15 degree. Third option is sine 15, cos 15. And third option is sine 15, cos 75. More than one option may be correct.
Sir, I got disconnected because of some network issue. Is this the question you gave after the
Yeah.
cos 2 pi by 15 wala?
Yes, yes. This is the question after that.
Okay.
Just now I have written it actually.
Yes, sir.
Oh, Sanika is doing very fast with lighting speed. C and D. So how you calculated, Sanika,
Let's
so
see.
fast? Yeah, Sanika, how you have calculated? I also want to learn the method. You are doing very fast, very good.
So C, because sine 15 into cos 15, I took the values. Root
Yes,
5 plus 1
very
by
good.
4 and root 5 minus 1 by 4.
So this will be 30. 1 upon 2 sine 30. And sine 30 we know is 1 upon 2. So this will be 1 upon 4. So this is rational, correct.
No, only
And,
C.
and D?
No, sir.
D is
No,
D
D by
is not
mistake.
rational.
Okay, C is correct, no doubt. So in D, again, what you can do, you can multiply by 2 and divide by 2. 2 sine 15 cos 75.
So you can make cos 75 sine 15.
And this, see, cos 75 is how much?
So sine 15.
Sine 15, so this is 2 sine square 15. And 2 sine square theta, 1 upon 2. 2 sine square theta is equal to 1 minus cos 2 theta, 30. So this is equal to 1 upon 2, 1 minus cos 30, we know under root 3 by 2. So this is not rational. Understood? And definitely these sine 15, for example, this you can easily neglect. Sine 15 is equal to sine 45 minus 30. Sine 45, 1 upon under root 2, cos 30 under root 3 by 2, minus cos 45, 1 upon under root 2 into sine 30 this. So under root 3 minus 1 upon 2 under root 2. This is not rational. So this you will cancel, this you will cancel, this you will cancel. So answer is left C, yes. Only C is the correct. Okay. So any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Okay, now let us go to next. In 1998, they've asked another problem, which was also, this was more than one option correct again. if f and theta, if f and theta is equal to tan theta by 2 into 1 plus sec theta 1 plus sec 2 theta 1 plus sec 4 theta and so on till 1 plus sec 2 raised to power n theta. Then options are given. First option A, f2 pi by 16 is equal to 1. Option number B, f3 pi by 32 is equal to 1. Option number C, f4 pi by 64 is equal to 1. And D option is f5 pi by 64 is equal to 1. Out of this, you have to check which of the options are correct, which are wrong. Solve carefully, okay? There is no hurry. See, sine 15 cos 75.
Sir, I
The
got
previous-
D as the answer, correct answer.
Which?
D, option D.
Oh, okay. See, Gunji was sine 15 cos 75. Now cos 75, 75 plus 15 is equal to 90 degree. So this is a sine 15 cos sine 15 only. So this is 1 upon 2 into 2 sine square 15. So 1 upon 2, 2 sine square theta is 1 minus cos 2 theta 30. This I have used there. Okay, Gunj?
Sir, all are correct.
Yes, sir.
So Prakhar is saying all are correct. Ayush is saying ABC correct. Aryan is saying all are correct. I think Aryan, you have not checked all options. Just 1 or 2 options you have checked. And you are marking. So don't do that much hurry, Prakhar and Aryan. There is no race. One thing I can tell, all are not correct. Amog, don't think, you have to solve it. Okay, Amog, D is not correct. I knew it. You knew, but you have not submitted the assignment, Amog.
Sir,
Then you
A,
will submit.
C are correct.
Yes. A, B, C. So in this case, there is one small concept is there in this question. Let us solve, because this is very, very important question. When it was asked, it was very important question. See, if this is theta by 2, see, I am concentrating on first two brackets. No, chem scanner is very good. There is no absolutely no problem in chem scanner. Otherwise, so many apps are there, but chem scanner is one of the best. Okay. Okay. So many options you will get. So you can discuss afterward that. Okay. Otherwise, you will get so many options. You know much better than me in this electronics, which to be used, how to use. So in this question, what I'm saying is a very simple thing. Just to focus first on this. A simple formula first I want to derive. If it is tan alpha into 1 plus sec 2 alpha double angle, this will be how much? So tan alpha is sin alpha upon cos alpha, and this is 1 upon cos 2 alpha. So 1 plus cos 2 alpha upon cos 2 alpha. Okay. 1 plus cos 2 alpha is 2 cos square alpha. So this you can write sin alpha into 2 cos square alpha upon cos alpha cos 2 alpha. So you can observe this cos 2 alpha. This will cancel out with this 1 power. So what is left now? This is left 2 sin alpha cos alpha upon cos 2 alpha. So this is sin 2 alpha upon cos 2 alpha is equal to tan 2 alpha. This is very important observation. So this question is a repeated application of this fact. How this is repeated application? See. I will explain this here now. My question is f and theta. F and theta is equal to tan theta by 2 1 plus sec theta. This I am putting in one bracket. After this I am getting 1 plus sec 2 theta. Afterward I am having 1 plus sec 4 theta, and then I am having 1 plus sec 2 raised to power n theta. This is the situation. Now in this, if you observe this quantity here, alpha is how much? Theta by 2 for this first blue bracket. In this, if I put alpha is equal to theta by 2, I will get this. So this will be tan 2 alpha, means this quantity is nothing but this quantity is nothing but what? Tan theta. Double of this tan 2 alpha. Alpha is how much? Theta by 2. So this is 1 plus sec 2 theta. Again, this will be multiplied. Yes, ABC correct, Pranati. So again, now you will have 1 plus sec 4 theta and so on. So you can see now this quantity is how much? Tan 2 theta. So next step you will write tan 2 theta into 1 plus sec 4 theta, half of this, and so on. So now this quantity is tan 4 theta and so on. So first everybody note down whatever is in the black circle, this part, so that I can clean this. Everybody note down. This black lines under this black circle, I have made it this part particularly. This. I'm going to clean it. Covered? So I'm cleaning this part, okay? See, if you observe from here beginning, this quantity is tan theta, then tan theta multiplied by next bracket, then you are having this form tan theta into 1 plus sec 2 theta. So 1 tan theta into 1 plus sec 2 theta, this will be how much? Tan 2 theta by that repeated repetition tan 2 theta, then tan 2 theta will be multiplied here, it will be tan 4 theta and so on. That means when I am multiplying this, I am getting angle, this larger angle is theta here. When I am multiplying these two, I am getting tan 2 theta, this larger angle I am getting. Basically my formula was what I derived there was tan alpha into 1 plus sec 2 alpha was tan 2 alpha. That means this larger angle was coming here. So finally, this will keep on doing this. What I will get finally, I will get tan 2 raised to power n minus 1 theta into 1 plus sec 2 raised to power n theta. This will be tan 2 raised to power n theta. Larger angle will come. This angle will be output. So this is the f and theta. Now you can find f2 pi by 16. f2 pi by 16, first option is tan 2 square is 4 pi by 16 is equal to 10 pi by 4 is equal to 1. So this is correct. Second option, f3 pi by 32. So this will be 10 2 raised to power 3 8 pi by 32. So this is also 1. So similarly you can check option number A is 1, B is correct, C is correct, but D is wrong. What is this last option? F5 pi by 64 is equal to 10 2 raised to power 5 30 into pi by 64. So 10 pi by 2 not defined. This is not defined. So that's why this option is wrong. So this
It should
answers
be
are,
pi by 128.
yes, then it will be correct. So its answers are A, B, C are correct options. Okay, shall I ask one very important problem? See, now I will ask you one question. You have done so many things. This is over. Yes, this question is over.
Yes, sir.
See, first of all, I'm asking one very elementary problem first. That question is find the range of 1 upon 3 minus 2 sine x. Find range of this. So I think you can solve very fast this, because sin x will vary from -1 to 1. So this will be 1 upon 3 plus 2 to 1 upon 3 minus 2. So 3 minus 2 is 1. 1 upon 5 to 1. I think any doubt in this?
No, sir.
Others also?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Okay. Now this was the one question. Question number 2. Find range of 1 upon 2 minus 3 sin x. Solve this problem. Solve carefully. I don't want any wrong answers. Solve carefully. I don't want any wrong answers. And tell your answers. This is very important problem.
Sir, 1/3 to 1.
1/3 to
1.
1.
Yes, sir.
When you will get 1/3? How you will get 1/3?
1/5.
No.
So -1 to 1/5.
That's why I told you solve very carefully with lot of attention. I know you will give this type of answers. Okay, see, one very simple question I am asking. You are saying -1 to 1/5. I think this is the most of the answers are getting, because when this is -1, it is 1 upon 5. When this is 1, it is -1. This is what you are saying?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let us consider one case when sin x is 2/3. What will be value of this? Or sin x is equal to 0.666. Suppose this is possible value of sin x. Then
Yes,
3
sir.
sin x will be how much? 3 sin x will be multiplied by 3. So this will be 1.998. Okay. Now subtract this. So at this point, when sin x is equal to 0.666, how much you will get? 1 upon 2 minus 1.998. How much left? 1 upon 0.002. Am I right?
Yes, sir.
So this is how much? This is a 500. But what you are getting? As per your answer must not be more than 1 upon 5. But I have given one example when I am getting 500 also. Because sin x can be any number between -1 to +1. And I have selected a number sin x is equal to 0.666, which is absolutely fine. If it is wrong, tell me, sir, this is wrong. That means your answer is wrong. I have proved your answer is wrong. No, this is, see, Prakhar, I am proving it. It is more than one. Still, you are telling me it is one highest value. See, Prakhar, here, I have proved that this value can be 500 also. What I'm saying, sine x is equal to, I'm taking 0.666, which is possible value of sine x.
Oh, okay,
So
sir. I
then,
get it
then
now.
3 sine x is equal to this much. Then 1 upon 2 minus this will be how much? 500. That means this is also one of the possible value of its range. No, this is also wrong question, wrong answer, Rishi. You cannot change the answer suddenly like this. See, now I will tell the problem. Okay, what is the problem with this question? And why you got answer easily of the first one, but not of second one? That also reason I will tell. Because so far I have not given this kind of problems. I was giving a simple problems to use where you were getting easily answers. See, in the previous question, first question, see, compare both of them. In the previous question, you are having 3 minus 2 sine x. Whereas in this question, I am having 2 minus 3 sine x. This was 3 minus 2 to 3 plus 2. That means 1 to 5. Everything is positive here, no problem. But here, 2 minus 3, 2 plus 3, minus 1 to 5. So when you are going from minus 1 to 5, in between there will be 0. And when you are dividing y, 1 upon 0 plus h or 1 upon 0 minus h, that spoils everything. Because this quantity can be 0 also. Understood the problem now? Because this is minus 3. See, minimum value you are saying, this quantity denominator can be minus 1, maximum value can be plus 1. So it is changing from minus 1 to 5. This denominator, somewhere 0 is there. So this will be somewhere very close to 0, negative, very close to 0, positive. So when it is this is there, answer will be minus infinity. When this is the case, answer will be plus infinity. No, answer cannot be done in so fast. Just I am explaining the problem, not the solution. So what I am saying, you understood the problem now? Everybody understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay,
Yes,
there
sir.
is some problem is there with this question now. So how to solve it? For that, we have to go the basic method. This method will not work now in this question. So in exams also, you have to be very careful because both questions looks similar. If you ask simple teachers also, they cannot identify, they will tell you what you answer you are giving. So you have to be careful how to solve this. This is equal to y. Let us take this is equal to y upon 1. Now we will cross multiply. So 2y minus 3y sin x is equal to 1. So from here, sin x is equal to 2y minus 1 upon 3y. Now I will take two cases. This quantity must lie between minus 1 to 1. Correct? Because left hand side lies between minus 1 to 1. So right hand side also lies between minus 1 to 1. So from here I will get that 2y minus 1 upon 3y is greater than minus 1 and this must be less than 1. So I will solve this inequality. So this inequality will be converted into two parts. Case 1. 2y minus 1 upon 3y is greater than minus 1. See, I'm using the word here and. Both conditions must be satisfied at the same time. And second case is 2y minus 1 upon 3y is less than 1. Both I have to solve and I have to find the intersection of that. That will be answer of this because it is and. And means intersection. Now I think you can solve it. Because I have explained you the Webber method. Plus 3y upon 3y is greater than 0. So it is 5y minus 1 upon 3y greater than 0. So what is the roots of this? Webber method. Y is equal to 1 upon 5 and y is equal to 0. 0, 1 upon 5. These are the roots. So as per this, outside. Positive. Similarly, solve the second one. You will get 2y minus 1 minus 3y upon 3y less than 0. So minus 1 minus y. So take minus outside upon 3y less than 0. So 1 plus y upon 3y greater than 0. So here you will get y is equal to minus 1 and 0. This is greater than 0 outside. Outside means your solution will be this. Now take their common part, intersection. So finally, I will draw one more number line so that I can plot both of them together. So what are the numbers here? Minus 1, 0, 1 upon 5. First solution is less than 0 and greater than 1 upon 5. Second solution is less than minus 1 and greater than 0. Now you check what is the common part, that will be answer. So what is the common part? This is the common part here. And here this is the common part. So answer is x is less than minus 1. This y is less than minus 1 or y is greater than 1 upon 5. So whatever answer you are getting, it is just opposite of that. So final answer for this is x belongs to answer. Final answer I am writing x belongs to minus infinity to minus 1 union 1 upon 5 to infinity. Both are included here. Only 0 is excluded. This is the answer. Just note down this. Any doubt is there, you can ask me. After completion, tell me so that I will give some more problem, 1 or 2 more problems. Completed this? Yes. Writing.
Yes,
Done,
sir.
sir. Done, sir.
So now you got the idea to what is the difference between these two questions?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now see, come to next. One question I will take which was asked in 2010 or 11. See how this trigonometry is mixed with the concept of the sets. Next problem. The question is, this was asked in 2011. Let P is equal to theta such that sin theta minus cos theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta, and Q is equal to 1 minute. One minute hold. Okay. And Q is equal to theta such that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to under root sin theta. Be two sets. P and Q are two sets. P is the angle theta, set of the angle theta such that sin theta minus cos theta is equal to under root 2 cos theta, and Q be the set of angles theta such that sin theta plus cos theta is equal to under root 2 sin theta. Then options are, first option, P is a proper subset of Q, and P is not equal to Q. They are not equal. This is that way proper subset. This is the first option. Second choice, they asked Q is Q is not subset of P. C option they asked P is not subset of Q, and D option they asked P is equal to Q. Out of this, which options is correct? all student must finish the NCERT part also, your school books, whatever books they are.
Sir, option D is correct.
Option D is correct. Who is speaking this?
Sir, Prakhar.
Yes, very good. You are doing very nice, wonderfully.
Yes, sir. Even I got P is equal to Q.
Yes, Chris also got T is equal to Q. So what I want to say, today you have seen so many problems of IT level. And most of the problems, 90% you have done very fast with lightning speed. That is very good thing. So now you are, can say you are very strong in the topic where all students mostly fear this. Most of the students, if you ask, they will fear trigonometry. And luckily we got sufficient time. Only thing is some students are not submitting. So I will just keep on asking them to submit the assignment. Because without assignment, if you are not solving the problems, this will become big problem. And afterward it gets difficult. Some of you may be thinking how they have done so fast, because 1 or 2 months before everybody was in 10th. So by hard work, you can see the difference now within 1 month. Yes, Pranati, very good. So here you can see P. What is P? P is equal to P is sine theta is equal to, transfer that term that side, under root 2 plus 1 cos theta. So last option D, yes, correct. And if you Q is cos theta is equal to under root 2 minus 1 sine theta. Just I have to show they are equal. So multiply by under root 2 minus 1, under root 2 plus 1. So this will be under root 2 plus 1 cos theta is equal to 2 minus 1 sine theta. So you can say under root 2 plus 1 cos theta is equal to sine theta. So this Q is also same as P. This is the P. So now you can say Q is equal to P. Both are same thing only. So this is for confusion only. P and Q are basically same thing. So with this, I will be finishing today's class. And I will be giving today also one assignment. And finally, one part test of complete trigonometry I will be giving on Sunday or some next week. So by that time, all students must solve it. I will send the message also, one part test will be there in maths. So all students must solve it and submit it. That will be objective type only.
So next week, no?
Yeah, next week. So that's why you are
Okay.
having sufficient time, 1 week time. Okay. So any doubts, anything else? I think today's class must help you in problem solving, how you can handle the different kinds of problems. Yes, class is over.
Okay, sir.
So thank you very much, all of you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
And
sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you,
submit the
sir.
assignments, problems in time. Thank you.